Welcome to week 6. We are moving on. This week we're going to talk about probability. I'm not going to do a big demonstration in the video. This one for the weekly welcome. There's a lot of stuff to look at. Really just encourage you to get in there, look at the section videos, try lots of examples. One of the biggest keys though that I want to mention for this chapter is it's going to feel like there's a lot to remember. We have a bunch of rules, some probability rules, like the addition rule for disjoint events, complement rule, multiplication rule, combinations, permutations. There's all these rules that take some practice, all right? And so part of it is certainly getting comfortable with those probability rules, making sure you have them written down, that you understand how to calculate them and how to use them. But more important is understanding when to use them, which rule applies. And the only way you are going to get comfortable with that is by trying lots of examples. You just need to try lots of examples. The homework is great, but it is broken down by section. And so you know, well, this is the section about independence. And so these are all going to be about independence. And so you have to be careful saying, well, I did the homework, so I'm good. So be sure to try that weekly practice. That has a bunch of different problems mixed together. Use the online lesson. Use the web page for the online lesson that I created. There's a bunch of examples there you can try. Try just opening the book through, you can open it in My Stat Lab. Open the book, try some problems that in the chapter summary. The key is really just trying lots of problems. It's the only way you're going to really be prepared for chapter 5 when it comes to our next unit test. All right, the other thing I wanted to do is, now that we've had our first test, you've got your grades back, you really have a good idea of where you sit in the course. And for some of you, now is the time where you need to think about, okay, I need to get serious. So what am I going to do to improve? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little walk and show you how to get to the tutoring center, because that is free. You can walk in. They have very wide hours. You can also get a free one-on-one tutor. And so let's take a visit over to the tutoring center. Are we ready? Let's do this. All right, I made it. So a couple of quick things about the tutoring center. I have a brochure here with their hours, and you can see they have a lot of hours for math, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Friday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday. They have someone here who can tutor statistics most of those hours. You can always ask at the front desk. You can just walk in, you don't have to sign up, you just walk in, go to the math desk, ask your questions. Second thing is you can also ask at the front desk for private tutoring. You can get free 1-hour private tutoring every week. You have to sign up though. There are some conditions. You have to be consistent. You can't just skip it once in a while because you're going to make a schedule with a private tutor. But that is it. I wanted to make sure to show you how to get here. And so that is it for this week's video.